Welcome to Dhruv's video. I am Mr. Sally Dhruvs. The main intentions to upload this video is to teach my viewers how to drive a lorry truck. Just how to drive a lorry. It means lorry truck, heavy truck. At first you have to pick up your key. It means in Nepali it called a chavi, and pick up that and eject in that that jack, start jack. When you pull it like this, your lorry truck get on. And then if your lorry truck is in gear, then you have to take clutch and brake both balancedly, and pull out this gear. I am showing you. Pull out this gear like this, and then clutch and brake like this. Did you get it? Yes. And then when as the same conditions, you have to do like this: red buttons, clutch, brake, and then this gear, and then your lorry is started. After started, you have to focus on your road. If you focus at the straight or a road, if there is two-lane road, there is no problem. That is easy to drive. But if one-lane road, such as Karnali Highway, that is difficult to drive. And then you have to see your site. Where is your road going on? If your road is going on right, not this left, then you have to rotate your string like this. And when we rotate this string like this, then our front wheels get positions at at left, and then our lorry truck go with this positions, no, these directions. If the road is these directions, you have to drive like this. Did you get it, my friends? It's me, Dhruv. I'm inspiring you how to drive a lorry truck. This much for today. I will upload more informations for my guides. Rock the guides.